Good afternoon. Travel by water here. Today we're going to take a look at my new to me $1 boat. So the boat is about a 1970 or so Cal 21. I got it for $1. The previous owner was in the process of refurbishing it. When I got my hands on it for $1, so I had to go and pull it out of a field, and it was already on the trailer. So here's a couple pictures of that. But basically, all I needed to do was jack the trailer up out of the mud and put some air in the tires. The trailer lights even worked. Okay. So you can see little things here like these aluminum rub rails have been removed, but I have those, and just basically the holes have been filled with some epoxy by the looks of it. The boat was called About Time. So like I said, the boat's about a 1970 or so Cal 21, so 21-foot boat. The boat is interesting because it has this weird swing keel that locks down into place when it's sailing. So it becomes kind of a fixed keel boat when it's not in the trailer, or for trailering the keel lifts up. Okay, so there's a look at the keel. There's the washboards for the companionway. So they're already redone by the previous owner. Okay, and the boat's all quite sound. There's no soft spots. It seems to be all solid fiberglass. There doesn't seem to be any wood core in the boat. Okay, there's another close-up of the swing keel. So that's got lead ballast. So this is a 360-pound keel, almost 4.5 feet deep, with lead ballast. So, and the boat carries quite a bit of sail area, almost 200 square feet. So I'm going to take a quick look inside. As you can see, the boat's been completely gutted by the previous owner with an eye on refinishing it, which is basically where I'm going to take over at that point. So I'm going to build in new bunks. In a way, it's kind of easier to start with a blank slate because it lets me kind of do things that the way I want to do them and keep weight under control, because I don't want the boat to be too heavy. So there's the keel trunk that's been rebuilt. Okay, and you can see all bulkheads and bunks have been removed. This boat will sleep 4, so 2 quarter berths and a V berth, a little porta potty, and then like a little tiny galley, and that'll be the boat. So I just need to kind of strip the paint off the interior and then repaint it, and then I'll start rebuilding the bunks. Okay, so like I mentioned, the previous owner was well into the restoration process, so it's not like I'm starting right from scratch. Most of the parts for the boat are here. There is a mast that I haven't picked up yet, but there is a, well, I don't think it's a new mast. I think it's a new used mast, but I understand it's in good condition. So let's just quickly go through the major inventory items. There's the rudder in good shape. There's the boom. These sails say jib and mainsail. There are sails in there, but I think it's a jib and a Genoa. I think I'm short a mainsail. There's the tiller in good shape. Cabin top handrails. These bags are full of winches and blocks, some cleats. All the hardware for this is bronze, which is kind of cool. And then we just have a bin of miscellaneous, including what I believe are new stays. This is the winch down here for lifting the swing keel. There's an outboard bracket. And And somewhere here I have the window frames for, we've got one window out, it's covered with plastic right now. I'll probably need new plexiglass. The window frames might still be in the car, but aluminum window frames. Okay, so there we have it. This is my $1 Cal 21 restoration project. Expect more videos to come.